My dear researchers, my research scholars, my co-investigators, my co-guides, and my co-conveners, it is my pleasure to contact you through this social media. For what purpose I am going to meet you? The purpose is popularization of moral farming among stakeholders, among housewives, among unemployed youths, and also motivation of research among students, scholars, and faculty of universities and also institutions. As you know, I got my CSIR Emeritus Fellowship between 2008 and 13 for 5 years. After that, UGC Emeritus for 2 years, and I completed my tenure of Emeritus Fellowship UGC in the year 2015. After that, from 2015 to 2019, I was Emeritus of SXC Management. In December 2019, I was relieved from Emeritus Professorship of Care, and I came out of the campus and Corona entered into our country. So everybody is totally affected. All activities are affected. I too. Idle brain is devil's workshop, as you know. Therefore, I was spending my time mostly by looking at serials and also pictures, news, etc. My grandchildren motivated me, don't spend your time like this. Don't keep away from your research activities. Help the fish farmers and also others for their income generation and also for their awareness, for their knowledge, everything. So finally I got an idea, why not I help these fish farmers, stakeholders and housewives on one side for their income generation by moral farming, and the students, scholars and faculty of universities and colleges for their research. So in this, today's meeting with you by this social media is for promo. Promo of what? That is, I would like to launch a new channel in the YouTube to help the target groups for their income generation and also for their knowledge. 2019, I visited Kashmir University, Srinagar, and then Kongunadu Arts and Science College, Coimbatore, and also Dean Arts and Science College, Mayiladuthurai in December 2019. That is to motivate the students for research. Now, I am giving a few pictures and videos for your observation. My dear researchers, I would like to share with you 3 turning points in my life. The first turning point, after my master's in the year 1972, I met Dr. Pandian at Palniyandar Arts College for my PhD. It was the first turning point in my life. If I might have not met Dr. TJP, I don't think I can develop to such a level. It was because of him who molded me, who activated me, who induced me. Mada Pida Guru. So, he is my Guru, and till date, I am living according to his guidance. The second turning point in my life is when I was invited by Father Stephen and Professor Selvaratnam Fernando of St. Xavier's College for the post in the Department of Zoology. I was appointed as postgraduate professor of zoology in the year 1980. I was the youngest postgraduate professor at that time, that is at the age of 30. I got the post and my salary was in par with the principal. In St. Xavier's College, I started my research center in the year 1986. Even in 1978 and 79, I got the recognition from Madras University when I was working in Jamal Muhammad College, Trichy. But for 7 or 8 years, I was not able to get recognition. And finally, I got the recognition from Manonmaniam Sundarnar University in the year 1986, and I started the Zoological Research Laboratory, and Mr. A.G. Murugesan was my first scholar at that time. So the second turning point is my entry into St. Xavier's College. Before that, I worked in two colleges. Jamal Muhammad College between 77 and 80. Sadiq Tilapa College between 76 and 77. But my entry into St. Xavier's College helped me to reach a very high level. They offered me land, they gave laboratory, they gave all the facilities. No words to express my joy when I joined in St. Xavier's. All the rectors, all the secretaries, all the principals, they treated me in a very, very nice way. They gave the respect and regards to me, and I was very happy with the management. They also gave me land worth of crores and crores. It's a hard cake in the center of the town. I don't know how many acres they gave me, and I established the Zoological Research Laboratory. After that, I changed the name to Center for Aquaculture Research and Extension, considering the blue collar job. So Center for Aquaculture Research and Extension was mainly for air breathing fish research. In this, I would like to state two persons. One is Dr. Sukumaran, another one is Dr. Kalimur Rahman. Both of them asked me to concentrate on air breathing fishes because in our country there is not much work on air breathing fishes, but mostly carps are concentrated. Therefore, I concentrated air breathing fishes, especially morels. And I thank Dr. Kalimur Rahman and also Dr. Sukumaran for the selection of the site, for their motivation also. So in the year 1996, when I started the Center for Aquaculture Research and Extension, Thanimaram Thopagiyathu. First, Dr. Murugesan entered into the center. After that, a number of scholars entered. என்னுடைய வெற்றிக்கு காரணமானவர்கள் நான் காலால் இட்டதை தலையால் செய்தவர்கள். எத்தனையோ கான்ஃபரன்ஸில் என் கூட இருந்தவர்கள். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரெஃப்ரெஷர் கோர்ஸ் நான் நடத்தும் பொழுது 1994 அதில் துணையாக இருந்தவர்கள், உதவி செய்தவர்கள் எல்லா வகையிலும். அவர்களில் சிலரை நான் அழக்கூட வைத்திருக்கிறேன். சுய லாபத்திற்காக அல்ல. ஐ மோல்டட் தம். அந்த அழுதவர்கள் எல்லாம் வெளிநாடு சென்றார்கள், பெரிய பெரிய லெவலில் எல்லாம் ரீச் பண்ணார்கள். அவர்களுக்கு நான் நன்றி கடன் பட்டு இருக்கின்றேன். முருகேசன் 1986 ஜாயின் பண்ணாரு. From 1986 to 2017, I produced 42 PhDs, and the 42nd PhD candidate was Mr. Manikanda Raja. Now I am giving you their pictures and also a table explaining, giving description of their thesis. Among the 42 PhD scholars, more than 20 PhD scholars, they worked on morels. So they selected morels for their PhD thesis. One supervisor, one group of fishes, one center, that is the first of its kind in St. Xavier's College and nowhere in India. I thank the Almighty for the chance. Again in the department, my colleagues, they helped me, starting from Father Stephen P. D'Souza, who is no more now. I remember the first day when I met him. I was a student as well as I was his colleague. And next, Professor Thomas Pandidam, Dr. Victor, Dr. Narayanan, Dr. Sethu, Dr. Innocent. All these professors ஒரு கல்லூரி ப்ரொஃபஸர் என்னிடம் FIPL PhD பண்ணார். அவர் ஒரு நாள் மூட்டையை கட்டிக்கிட்டு என்னகிட்ட இருக்க முடியல, என்னுடைய தொல்லை தாங்க முடியலைன்னு கிளம்பிட்டாருன்னு அவர் கூட இருந்தவர் சொன்னார். அப்போது நான் சொன்னேன், நான் கூட ஒரு நாள் மூட்டையை கட்டிட்டு பாண்டியன் சார்ட்ட இருந்து கிளம்பினேன், இவர் தொல்லை தாங்க முடியலைன்னு. அப்போது my friends and my roommates, Dr. Madhavan, Dr. Vivekanandan, Dr. Keethanand Ponnaya, all the three consoled me and they took me to a theatre, Valduvar Theatre in Palni, and we saw a movie. அநேகமாக அது வசந்த மாளிகைன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அன்றைக்கு தான் வாழ்க்கை. I need one or few videos from you highlighting your success stories, your experience, your difficulties, your problems, your suggestions, your questions, and everything I need. So please send your videos to me by the social media and also inform me. And another thing, I don't have the phone numbers of all the persons, so I assigned this job to the local research scholars, so they will contact you, and if you contact me, we can talk in detail, we can discuss.